This solar energy player secured approximately 79 crores of work order for 50 megawatt of solar PV panels, boosting its overall revenue growth. With 24.3% half-yearly revenue growth and plans to expand its lithium battery manufacturing, this company is targeting rupees 3,500 to 4,000 crores turnover in 5 years. This stock has recently surged 41% YOY. Stay tuned in the video to uncover this rising star. Hey there and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am BHumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll analyze two companies making moves that could fuel their long-term growth. As always, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any investment. Today's lineups are Ganesh Green Bharat Ltd and Sahaj Solar Ltd. Let's start with the first company, Ganesh Green Bharat Ltd. This company operates in solar energy sector as named, specializing in solar PV module manufacturing, electrical contracting and water supply projects. This company has recently secured 79 crores approximately of work order from the Solberry Energies Private Limited for supplying 50 megawatt of solar PV panels, with the project completion expected by the coming March 2025. This order strengthens the company's standing in the renewable energy space alone and align with the management's guidance of achieving a turnover target of rupees 350 to 400 crores by FY25, with the expectations of doubling its revenue annually. If we talk about the financial background of the company, it has demonstrated strong growth. In the first half of FY25, this company has reported a revenue of 138 crores, marking 24.3% increase compared to the previous quarter. However, EBITDA margins declined to 16.7% from 22.5% in the second half of FY24, primarily which was due to the rising raw material cost. Looking ahead, companies targeting the turnover of rupees 3,500 to 4,000 crores over the next 4 to 5 years. Management also plans to explore opportunities in the lithium battery manufacturing, capitalizing on the government support for backup power systems. If we talk about the next company, Sahaj Solar Ltd. This company is a solar energy company specializing in the voltaic modules, solar pumping systems and EPC services. This company has recently secured approximately 60 crores of contract from the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited. This project involves supplying and installing 2,000 off-grid solar water pumping systems in Maharashtra alone, significantly expanding the company's market presence. Financially, in FY24, this company's revenue increased to 201 crores, reflecting 8.6% YOY growth. EBITDA margins have also nearly doubled from 6% in the FY23 to 12% in the FY24, highlighting the improved operational efficiency of the company. This company derives 99.2% of its revenue from the domestic sales, led by the solar pumping systems, which is 70%, and PV modules, which is 26 or 27%, while the exports contribute only 0.8%. Coming to the future perspective, with a strong domestic footprint and which is supported by government initiatives for the solar energy adoption, this company is on a track for a sustained growth. Now let's review some of our previous picks. First is Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited, which we covered at 1106 rupees, now at 1150 rupees, down by 5%. Cosmic CRF Limited, which we covered at 1703 rupees, now at 1738 rupees, which is up by 2%. Then Greaves Cotton Limited, which we covered at 262 rupees, now at 265 rupees, up by 1.4%. Then Dabria Pollywood Limited, which we covered at 374 rupees, now at 438 rupees, up by 17%. Then Gensol Engineering Limited, which we covered at 775 rupees, now at 743 rupees, down by 4.1%. In a summary of recent filings, Ganesh Green Bharat Ltd secured 78.8 crores, which is approximately 79 crores of order for the 50 megawatt of solar PV panels, strengthening its renewable energy portfolio. Then Sahaj Solar Ltd won 60 crores of contract under the Maharashtra government scheme and is gearing up for the 52 crores IPO. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.